Hey guys, what's going on? It's AJ with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today we've got an oldie but a goodie console for you guys. We got the Wii, and Nintendo Wii here, and we're going to be showing you how to replace the feet, the rubber feet on your console. So this console already has them removed, but I just used a flathead to get underneath and pry them up, or maybe you're missing just one but you want to replace them all. So just use a little small flathead tool or a little pry tool to get them up. And then we have these legs right here. We sell these on our website at joesg.com. Just open up this bag. Here we are. We got the bigger ones that sit on these four and the smaller ones on the bottom. All we are going to do is pry this up. It's really sticky, so maybe not try to get it stuck in your hands as I do so. And then we're just going to push it into the corner and press down. These are all the same size, so we don't have to worry about putting, like these four are all the same size, so we don't have to worry about specific spots where they go. We're just gonna press them in there. Again, we'll just take it, we'll peel it off. Slide it into place. And the last one over here. And then we will flip it to the bottom. See if we can get this to focus for you. And we've got these four in each corner. These smaller ones. Same story here. I'm just going to peel them up. And you can use tweezers too if you want to use tweezers to install them. It's probably a little easier to not get them stuck on your hands or whatever. But so you can even miss it like that. And then just slide it into place. And you can, it's hard to tell on camera, but it is in. It's all white on white, which is kind of hard to see, but like that one, not quite in. You can see here, it's not quite in, but you just give it a push. It'll slide into place real easily. And then we'll throw the fourth one in, and we will be done. Easy as that. Again, if you're looking for these rubber legs, we can find them, or you can find them on our website at joesg.com. We'll also have a link down in the description of the video below to these, and maybe the flathead if you need the flathead to pry them up. This has been AJ with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Peace out, guys.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.